Doria to Doria. No good. De Luna. Looking for receiver. Alegria now. Finds Sarmiento using the glass. That is a too strong. Tapigan. Mapupulan ng Tropang Cubs. Ocampo this time on number 21. Bigay. No good. Number 24, De Luna to number 20 to Sarmiento. Sarmiento ngayon, slashing sa middle. That is a basket. Deadlock tayo. 27 all. Number 24. No basket, but cannot say foul on number 24. That is a blocking foul and 2 free throws. Substitution on Tirado. That is your second personal foul. First round, that is a no good. This time for the second free throw. That is a basket. It's free Charity on his free throw. This time number 2 to Sarmiento. Bigay naman, De Luna. Matatapik and same ball tayo for PNR Poblacion. No good. On SK Chairman Doria, number 14. That is a basket for 2 on Doria. Marmeto, round his hand. That is a no good. Strongly guarded. Ocampo to SK Chairman again. Doria. The guy on the side. Back to Cerezo to Doria again on the skate Chairman. Fires a 3, no good. Alegria to Sarmiento. Sarmiento ngayon. That is an offensive foul on number 22 on Sarmiento. Substitution also para sa Tropang Cubs. Takitakin on Mr. Campo, jersey number 26. 5 minutes and 44 seconds. This time Doria to Campo. This time Marmeto. Substitution. De Luna number 24. That is a no good. Bola mapupunta para sa team ng Kabulgatan. 30-27, 3 puntos lang ang abante para sa Tropang Cubs. Now on the campo, fires a 3, that is a no good. Now on battle to Sarmiento, number 22. Sarmiento, fires a 3. Wala pa rin, talagang di makuha yung 3 sa PNR. Doria did not save the ball. And acknowledging the substitution, De Luna is out. And acknowledging Mr. Estayo, the coach of GP Laurel. Good evening po sir sa inyo. Masayang panonood. Thank you po. At di po pa kayo nakainom. Maaga pa. From California. Benitez to Beltran. Fires a 3. Benitez. Batoy to Benitez again. That is just too strong. Tatlong puntos pa rin. 30-27 pa rin ang ating nasa talan. On the side, Ocampo, pero matatapigan. Sarmiento number 22 to Benitez. Garcia, Sarmiento, Benitez. No good pa din talaga. Inaalat ang PNR. This time, Doria number 4. So SK German Doria. Ocampo this time. Oh, good. No basket. Foul on jersey number 11. Timeout on Barangay Kapuldatan.
Yeah. Jadi start.
And now back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 52 seconds on the time remaining. And this is a part of the second period. The official score is 30-27. Di pa rin gumagalaw yung ating score. On Soler. Soler number 31 for the long two. That is the short. Ocampo for the defensive rebound. Doria naman on SK Chairman. Nag-iisa. That is a basket on SK Chairman. Garcia finds on Benitez, back to Garcia, pero natapigan. Doria this time on Prias pala, sorry, that's Prias, 2 points. Soler, that is a basket on Soler. Doria 2, Ocampo fires a 3. That is a 3 points on Ocampo. Number 31 to Benitez using the glass naman, 2 points. (37-31). That is a 3 points. 40-31. Balik na sa 9 na puntos ang Kalamangan. Connects the foul on number 21. Substitution. Laquata is in on the ball game. Bato is out. Replaced by Makasim, number 23. First throw, that is a basket, nothing but net on Soler. This time for the second free throw of Soler. No good. Prias this time. Garcia. Soler, number 31. Now Ocampo, Bubuelo, no good. Again for Ocampo, put back 2 points is good. 2 minutes, 17 seconds. Nakadaan pa on Ocampo again.
Boss.
We have a timeout on PNR Poblacion.
Naisip na yung babantay sa Hilas. Huwag kayo 53.
Bau ni naman, daspan ni. Kanina lang kung ito ko.
And now back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 11 seconds and the time remaining. 10 puntos na ang abante para sa team ng Kabaldatan. Inside pass, that is a basket on number 6. Now on Soler. Soler pa rin. Kinugulit. Soler. Hanap ng pagpapasahan. And sing ball, that is a sing ball on PNR Poblacion. Garcia. That is a troubling violation.
Second quarter na to, GB celebration.
Bola mapupunta sa mga nakadilaw on the PNR Poblacion. And acknowledging also si Boss Tax para nag-iwan ng bakasyan sa labas. Tignan nyo. Also with our vlogger, official vlogger on si Rodel Alcarado Vlog. Napakagandang ginagawa ni Sir Rodel para sa ating mga best player. Also with Pitik ni Paul. Napakagandang pag-edit nila sa mga ating mga best player. Diluna number 24. 2 Makasyab, that is a 2 strong. 1 minute 15 seconds. Also with acknowledging the presence, Mr. Plato Kicks. Yan yung nagbibigay ng pagkain dito parati sa committee table. 1 minute and 4 seconds.
Plato kids mo to.
Wala pa si Mota Kids tsaka si Moto Kids. At ang ating pambansang gupet, huwag niyo kakalimutan ha. Nandiyan din siya, nanonood. Turn around jumper, De Luna, no good. 45 seconds. 48, 32. Official score. DC6 na matamis na DC6 ang kalamangan para sa Barangay Kabaldatan. Prias 2. That is a basket. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Garcia. Beltran. Talagang wala pa rin. 10 seconds.
Pulang batik na sing. Pulang batik.
2 points. 5 seconds. And that's the end of the second period. Our official score 52-32. 20 puntos ang abante para sa team ng Kabaldatan.
Tama yung istorya ng bats na si Ari. Si Ari.
That is a basket on number 2. There is a double dribble and or carrying the ball.
Kinananda kasi. Tanda.
This time on the campo. 2. Doria, that is a basket on Doria. 26 puntos na ang Kalamangan on Kabuldatan. Saves the ball, Makasub 2. Tirada, that is a block. Number 2. Doria 2. Basket. Pinaglaruan na doon si Sarmiento. Walang nag-down sa PNR. This time Caldona number 13. Starting to play on Caldona. Caldona pa rin, bigay on Beltran. Beltran fired sa 3. That is a no good. Again, that is a no good. SK Chairman pa rin, no good. Six minutes, 25 seconds. This time, Makasub, no good. Sees the ball, SK Chairman, 2. Number 2, no good. Again, no good. Again and again. No good again. But there is a offensive foul para kay number 14 para kay SK Chairman. Substitution. Who's out? Pakitawag na lang ang inyong papalitan. Who's out? On Beltran also. This time on number 31. Soler ngayon, ang number 31, Soler. Bigay on the side, Tirado. That is a short, Makasub, put back, 2 points is good on Makasub. Matagal-tagal. 3 minuto bago nakashoot ang PNR ulit. No good. Tirado, si Soler, number 31. Soler ngayon. That is a basket on Soler. Ginaganahan, intersect on Soler, number 31. Soler ngayon. Fired sa 2. May kasama pang foul para kay number. On number 4, he connects the foul. Biglang patawag ng timeout on Barangay Kabuldatan. That is your second personal foul on jersey number 4. And I'll take the bonus free throw, number 31 on Soler. Also basket. $60-39, our official score. This time, Terrado, that is a 2 points. Binatun na lang number 24. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. On Soler, fires a 3. That is a short. Number 20, Del Luna, Bantay. Sa ilalim, that is a basket again. 4 minutes 58 seconds. No good.
Coach ng PMR, ang coach ng idol si Coach
Bigay. No good.
si Coach Libado ngayon ang coach.
Using the gas, 2 points on number 20.
Ang shoutout kay Pare Jan Gubida. Ang shoutout.
Tirado, di diretso. That is a no good. Now, Frias naman. That is a no basket. Bola mapupunta sa PNR.
Sana ulo siya rin, oh. May paso ba ito man?
Dilunan si Sarmiento number 22. This time on Sarmiento. 2. Makasef, no good. This time on the campo, number 25 on the campo. Number 26 to number 4. Cerezo, that is a basket. On the perimeter jumper. Intercept. Number 26. Ocampo, steal by Soler. Number 31. Soler. No basket pero may foul na tinawag para kay number. Number 24 guilty on the cruising foul substitution. Tirado replaced by Benitez sa number 7. That is your first personal foul. First is a basket on Soler, this time for the second free throw. Second throw also basket. Substitution. Makasio is out. Garcia is in on number 11. This time, bola mapupunta sa PNR. Boninings 8-3. Substitution on Ocampo is out. Replace on Pasuke, number 10. This time on Benitez 2. Garcia, Bigay, fires a 3. That is 3 points on Soler. Strongly guarded. Napitikan pa. Benitez to Sarmiento. Sarmiento through. Soler again. This time. Starting the play. Benitez to De Luna. Fires a 3. No good. Benitez na lang. That is a basket.
46-68 na mga boss.
Baba na lang sa 22 puntos. Pero may foul on number
Foul by idol.
number 7. Collecting foul. Substitution. De Luna is out. Replaced by Batoy. And acknowledging the presence of team manager ng PNR Boninings 83, Mr. Christopher Caldona and Maricon Caldona. The next a foul on jersey number 11. That is your first personal foul.
Ano po yung score? 46-68 po. 46-68.
First is a basket. This time for the second free throw. Second throw is a basket. This free Charity on his free throw. Batay to Garcia. Garcia now. Sarmiento number 22. Setting the play. Benitez finds Soler. That is a 2 strong for 3. But still, the guys sa ilalim. That is a basket. Now number 11 on Garcia. To Batoy. Sarmiento sa ilalim. Pero may may foul na on jersey number 6. Cannot say foul. That is a guilty on the pushing foul. That is your first personal foul on jersey number 6. First row is a basket on Soler. 72-47 official score. This time for the second free throw. Jaila, yung kini. That is a basket also. Substitution. 2 minutes and 29 seconds. This time on number 3, strongly guarded by Garcia.
Over na.
The guy, nice assist and connects 2 points. Batoy, but it enters on the campo. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. No good. Soler number 31 and Soler connects a foul on jersey number 6. That is your second personal foul and guilty on the pushing foul. 1 minute and 51 seconds. First row, that is a basket on Soler number 31. This time in the second row. Number 20. Trias setting the play on Trias. Finds the number 20. No basket, pero may connect ng foul on jersey. Number 31. Timeout again on PNR Poblacion. Again, we would like to acknowledge the presence of team manager ng PNR, Madam Maricon and Sir Christopher Caldona. Masayang panonood po sa inyo, team manager.
Pa di ma? Masuk ka di ma ni? Ha? Masuk ka di? Ang halam namin lang sa niya. Ito ba? Sit up ba la? Alam ba la? Pasok yan.
And now back to the ball game. 1 minute and 33 seconds on the time remaining.
May ilang kilan dyan, may kalab dyan. May magpapanan dyan, may bago dyan. May live stream. Ang kalawang ko. Balak mo sige may dyan sigaw. Sa ano, sige na.
No good.
Sige, pansin na ka. Live stream.
This time Rias.
For viewing ka lang, amin niya. Viewing latan. Kung baga re-revision ka lang, wala yun. May wala violation. May
That is the 3 points on the campo.
re-revision ka lang na.
1 minute and 8 seconds.
Tanong pimasok, binurok yung tapo lang. Ang gano'n, pigarap yung
1 minute and the time remaining. That is a long 2 points on Makasip.
nalabos tayo 1-1.
Connects a foul on jersey. On number 1 on Batoy. Holding foul. That is your first personal foul on Batoy. Jersey number 1.
Kaya 100 binubog lang ako ng tayo. Lang eh.
This time on number 3. No good. Soler on number 31. That is the Soler. Up in the way. That is a short.
51-17. 51-17. Pakul. Kikin
25 seconds. 20 seconds. Now number 20. Connects the foul. May sumabit pang foul on jersey number 1 para kay Batoy. That is your second personal foul. 12.7 seconds. Bonus throw, that is a basket. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. Inside pass, Soler. That is a short. And that's the end of the third period. The official score is 81-53. Lamang pa rin ng team ng Kabuldatan.
Ulat kin naman, is din naman. Nga pala?
Sa mga kapila dito, kamera. Kamera makakasalo. Kamera makakasalo. Siyempre, lagi sabi pala ng Parehas magaling. Milbera, parehas magaling to. Mga kanya-kanya shooting. Pero kung sa bilisan sa
And I'm back to the bogey for the 14th final quarter. And after this bogey, susunod ang Alakang versus Bakunda West on the bracket B. On bracket C naman, Valdez Hernandez versus Lunog and troubling violation. And for the last game, Barangay Agdao versus Barangay Banawan. Magandang laro yung dalawang magkasunod doon. On Caldrona, number 13. Bigay, that is a basket. 81-55. This time on Boya, di Diraja, bigay sa ilalim, 2 points. Now Sarmiento fires a 3. That is a 3 points on Sarmiento, number 22. Daria 2. That is a basket. Last 9 minutes and 5 seconds. Makashiv, that is a 3 points. Humahabol pa rin. Babana sa 24 puntos. Number 14 to Campo number 26. That is a no good. Mapupulat ang Caldona. But loses the handle. Cerezo 2. That is a no good. Traveling violation. Now number 13 on Caldona. Caldona 2. Sarmiento. Sarmiento running shot. 2 points is good. Babana sa 22. Ocampo 2. Bigay. Inside pass. Ocampo. That is a 2 strong. Bola mapupunta on PNR. Bunilings 8-3. 2 points is good. Timeout on Barangay Kapuldatan. $85-65 our official score.
Lamang pa
And now back to the ball game.
Ayan na. Ayan na. Victoria. Best to lang.
No good. My foul na Benito, number 13 on Caldona. Pushing foul. That is your first personal foul. This time, 2 free throws on SK Sherman Doria, number 24. First throw, that is a basket, nothing but net. This time for the second free throw. That is a basket. This time Sarmiento on number 22. Sarmiento pa rin. Finds Caldona. Fires a 3. Fires a 3 points on Caldona. Number 13. This time on SK Sherman. Setting the play. The guy on Frias. That is a steal. That is intercept. 4 seconds to shoot. We have a foul on number 28, holding foul. That is a fresh 14 seconds on the shot clock.
I-restart mo na ano. Sa cellphone mo. Ano man, na-refresh ko kinto.
No good.
Na-refresh mo yung cash to.
Number 8, number 28, he connects a foul. That is your second personal foul on Alegria. First is a basket on number 2. This time for the second free throw. That is a no good. Bola mapupunta on PNR. 1 innings, 8-3. Located at Rizal Street, Poblacion. Sarmiento number 22 to Alegria. Makasip on the side. That is a short. Pero bola mapupunta para sa mga naka-blue. This time on the campo number 26. Strongly guarded. Now bitawan. This time Tirado number 10. Tirado to Makasip. That is a short. Doria. Chase the ball. Prias finds the three. That is 3 points of Prias. Last 6 minutes, 50 seconds. On Makaserve, running shot, 2 points is good.
1781. Pa rin ang price ko ang kabuldatan.
This time, on the campo. Basket count at may kasamang foul on jersey. Number 28 on the left. Hacking foul. That is a third personal foul. Substitution. First row. That is a bonus shot. That is a basket.
Parehas to, ato, ikabila, zero to.
Number 2.
Uy, crossover.
That is block.
01, 01, parehas to mga.
Caldona 2. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Last 6 minutes 15 seconds. At single time. Sorry. There is a kabuldatan for the basketball.
01, 01.
Number 20 at 6 to Campo. Ten seconds to shoot for Campo. No good. Cannot say foul.
01, 01 pa rin. Ay, 01 tuloy.
Number 13. There is a hacking foul.
May maibaba sa may.
Paki Taki ng jersey on the Campo. Number 26. Paki Taki please. This time. 10 seconds to shoot. At nakadaan pa doon si Doria na ski chairman. Now number 22. Sarmiento.
Basta ni Pero Gaya, baro-baro.
Last 5 minutes, 44 seconds. On Campo pa rin, number 26.
Kaya kung may dumangan.
That is a basket, 2 points. Timeout on PNR. Bonining Saturday.
Mahal.
Kailangan sa taas sa ulo.
Masiwan.
Kailangan sa taas sa ulo.
Okay, mahalagang paalala sa lahat ng ating manonood. Meron po bawat side, merong sako na nakalagay dyan. Pakita po ng maayos ang inyong mga pinagkainan na plastic para mapanatili nating malinis ang court na ito. Maraming salamat sa inyong pangunawa. Meron tayong CR na napakalinis dito sa likod. Dito sa side ng daycare center, dito po tayo umihi. Huwag tayo dyan iihi sa may gilid ng mga classroom dahil magagalit si Madam Principal. Last 5 minutes and 36 seconds. This time on Caldona to Garcia. Garcia now. Now to Pita. Strongly guarded. SK Chairman to Prias, number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Natal for the rebound. That is a 2 points. Number 6 to Marmeto. Marmeto now. Starting the play. El Legado. Tatagat back to Marmeto. That is a block. Saves Garcia. 10 seconds to shoot. That is a basket on the Luna, number 24. Last 4 minutes and 48 seconds. Doria. Pinabayaan na si Doria dun. That is a 2 points. No good. Trias. That is third set. Marmeto. Now on Caldona, number 13. That is a Caldona. Pumping away. 2 points on Caldona. Last 4 minutes substitution. Pakitawag ang inyong papalitan. There is a 8 seconds violation. 3 seconds lang yung natitira kanina eh. Last 3 minutes, 58 seconds. Now on number 11, Garcia, 2 points is good. Last 3 minutes, 50 seconds. Rias, attacking ang Gus, no good, but may sumabit na foul on number 24. There is a guilty on the pushing foul on number 24 on De Luna. Third personal foul on De Luna. First is a basket, this time for the second free throw of jersey number 3. That is a no good. De Luna, number 24, to Garcia, number 11. Eligado si Caldona. Naitawid down Caldona on bola. Fires the 3. That is a 2 strong. Last 3 minutes and 32 seconds. Rias si number 4. Doya naman. Same ball tayo. That is a same ball. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. That is a no good. Mapupulat at Benitez to Caldona. No basket pero may connect ang foul para kay Jersey. On number 20, connects a foul. That is your first personal foul. Third season basket for Caldona, number 13. This time for the second free throw. No basket, defensive rebound. The guy, Cicereza, number 24. Last 3 minutes. Cereza na good. Caldona. Caldona ngayon. That is no good. Last 2 minutes, 50 seconds. That is a basket. Count and connects a foul on Jersey. Beating ahead on number 16. I'm sorry, number 11. Substitution. This time was Armenta, number 22. The guy, Eligado block. Last 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Last 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Ten seconds to shoot. Doria. That is a 3 seconds violation. Susunugin na ang last time out on Tropang Cubs.
Di mo, monta, may kaguro ka monta. Kumakas ito, dapat isap.
And now back to the ball game. Last 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Sarmiento number 22. Sarmiento Moreno number 22. Fires the 3. This time on Doria. On Vincent Nico. Doria no good.
Mga awas yun eh.
No good. De Luna, that is a no good.